Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy username link on Messenger. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Messenger application. Once inside, you'll be on the main screen, which displays your Chats menu. This is where all your conversations will appear. Step 2. Now, look at the top left of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the Settings option on the right side and tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the Username option and tap on it. Step 5. For the last and most important step, locate the Copy Link option, then select it to copy username link on Messenger instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.